Yo, Luma Kaplan, guys. Luma Kaplan killing the stage for us. Akaqala ukufika la kwiMandeni Lockdown House Party, and we know Luma Kaplan ungani fethu. It's about Makaplan, hlanganisa iplani bro. Now uyazi mfethu ubonela ukuthi sikhipani fethu Luma Kaplan fethu. But now sithini kuma kancane ngama performance. Now I'm chilling with uNhlalonhle Blose, who's been involved in major projects, who were involved international projects like Walai Mandeni. I'm so honored to introduce her to this guest, guys. Like, she's young, beautiful, talented, like what not good to say about you. Genesis Plus.
Yep, that's good.
Ngiyaphila. Boy ngakhulu ukuthi usijoine la kwiMandeni Lockdown House Party fethu, right?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Too much fethu. Ngiyabona futhi nje umuhle fethu yabo. Phethe nje into zakho. But before we get into zakhe ezinhle osiphathele zona, I want to highlight kwababukele emakhaya ukuthi fethu i-journey yakho iqala kusukela 2009.
Yes,
you've been involved in a gospel group. 2012 ubuse DUT participate in performances, drama performances. I said DUT. 2014 you've been involved umuzi wenkosi. Yes, like highlighted ukuthi how was that journey been like, and like what's good?
Okay, ngiyabingelela ababukele emakhaya njengoba sishilo isicelo ukuthi Nhlalonhle lona wala eMandeni. Ngingathi athi nje into engiyithandile so lebuncaneni bami.
Sure.
Yes, ngikhule nayo. Kwathi ke sengise high school 29 kajoyina iqembu kuthiwa iMandeni Worshipers.
Okay.
Ngicula gospel khona.
Oh, that's a gospel group.
Yes, gospel group.
Sure.
Ngicula khona. Then the following year sengiya eVarsity.
Yeah.
Ngaya eDUT lapho ngenze khona sport management.
Sure.
Kodwa ke bekuthi after classes ngihambe ngiyo-attenda i-drama society. Obeku group lapho esithuthwa khona ngokwamakhono. Because vele initially bengithanda ukuthi ngiyenze drama studies. But ngenxa ukuthi abazali bethu nawo yazi indlu yethu enyama bafeel vele ekuthenini we can make a living out of the arts.
Sure.
So I had to do yona after classes.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
And we're saying ukuthi abazali ababelievele kulonto, and I think iMandeni Lockdown House Party njengamanje so is closing that gap, and I think now I would love to believe ukuthi abazali bayayibona leyo nto leyo manje ukuthi they recognizing ukuthi there's different aspects of our talent that ingane can tap into yabo ukuthi if it's doable. It's not only through studies, it's doable through your talent, just putting in hard work. Because now I understand you from 2016 you started touring with From 2014 you've been touring since
2014.
Usukave i-ground engakanani, like usuhambe kangakanani, your touring journey ime kanjani?
Okay, njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngiqale sengise-DUT ngathenda ama-classes, ngathenda after classes ngiyenze i-drama.
Sure.
So ngezwa emsakazweni ukuthi kunama-auditions kufunakala ama-dancers.
Yeah.
Abantu abaculayo for i-tour eya overseas.
Sure.
Then ngase ngiya-attenda nalapho futhi ngaba surprised because uma ngangazi ukuthi mina ekhaya bayithandi lezi zinto. Kodwa nje surprisingly uyena wangitshela nge-audition ukuthi hamba uze mamntanami kuyiwa phesheya kanti kufunakala abantu akanje. Kodwa uyangazi I can do it.
Okay.
Ngaya ku-audition luckily ngayithola indawo ngakast.
Okay.
And ngatshela ngisengaphakathi ukuthi yazi lento abayenzayo abajwayele ukuyenza ngenxa indlela abasurprise ngayo because indlela engabaphefumula ngakhona.
Sure.
Angiyanga ukuthi ngafike ngaperform instead of auditioning. Babona ukuthi no ishow banayo la. Then base bayangithatha ke. Then we saqala ama rehearsals bangifonela the following year, it was 2014.
Okay.
Yes, aqala ama rehearsals ukuthi itho iya Spain Europe for ama folklore.
Spain Europe.
Yes, Spain Europe. Yes. Festivals. Lapho sesizodla khona imidanso yesintu because I can dance isitswana, I can do isivenda, ispedi, ishangane, ingoma. Lokho kunginika khona ngiyakwazi ukwenza ngoba ngiyiciko. Uma ngathi angigide manje ngagidela, bengicula manje ngaculela.
So Jay, you're just a weapon of misdestruction. Give voice yakho wenza nje one.
Yes.
Jay, give voice yakho la ungena khona mfethu Jay.
I-instrument yami.
Aware.
That's why I take care of it because instrument yami ngisebenza ngayo.
Sure. Manje usisi what projects or ama play or bu involve kuona while you were touring around the world?
Okay, njobe ngisho ukuthi engithathile yangisa e-Europe kulo muzi wenkosi dance ensemble.
Okay.
Lezobe ngisho ukuthi siyadansa khona imidanso yahlukahlukene.
Yeah.
Then kwaku 2014 till today sisahamba.
Yeah.
2014 I was in Spain. 2016 I went back to Spain.
Oh yeah.
Last year 2019 bengisa Italy nase Slovenia. Lapho sidansa khona kanjalo ukuhamba kwethu suke sishintsha ama cultures sibatshengisa eMzansi senza kanjani because nangale sokukhona abanye from other countries lapho sitshengisana khona ukuthi siyashintshanisa ama cultures ukuthi abanye benza kanjani thina eMzansi siyo represent ukuthi eSouth Africa siphila kanjani senza kanjani and bajabula mebesibona because bona baphila vele ukuthi thina la eMzansi sihlala ne Big 5 uma uqhamuka umuntu akubuza awusabi nibhubesi omunye ufuna nje ukukuthinta mangaze ukuthi hayibo ukuthi isikhumba sakho umuntu afuna ukuthinta ngisho inwele zakho afuna ukuyifila ukuthi kanjani abasibuza ukuthi asiyasabi namabhubesi indlovu uhlala nazo no umuntu ngisithomba umuntu ukuthi no na indawo njalo ubona ndawo nihlala kanje la nathi siphila impilo efanayo neyeni kuphela umehluko isikhumba
sure and that's a stereotype mentality efanele sikeep leso stigma leso fanele sikeep nje
yes baphila vela kulokho bona bazi ukuthi nje eAfrica sihlane izilwane.
And can you umbukele ekhaya, can you believe ukuthi usisi Blose usuka la eMandeni, she's young just like any of us, and usuka la like most important parts usuka la eMandeni, and she's been touring all around the world, Spain, Italy, like you name it, and we lento lena uyenza follow dream yakho, and it's out of love. Like applaud that to you. Like say mbukele kaya, it's doable. Just the love and the arts and just constantly working on your craft. If it's anything is doable, and she's touring around the world through her passion in Taitanda of it. It's not like wakufundela ukwenza drama and all that. But Siswami, I also want to know with him, other than being a stage performer and also being a vocalist, what other current projects are you working on? Should we expect from you?
Oh, njengamanje ke I'm a beat work maker. Njengobona nje ngiyazenzela. Njengamanje kunamacici swaqhayo sonke aya trenda siwabiza ngesigwebo sentambo. As you can see, isigwebo sentambo ngiyazenzela. Yes, ngiyazenzela. Ndobona umhlalo nje ngigqoke mina. Ngiyazenzela from the scratch. Even on Facebook umungena khona page lami uyathola umsebenzi wami ukhona.
Okay.
And ukuqala kwami ubuhlalo yazi story sihlekisayo because hayi ukuthi into engangiyithanda before. Kodwa kwathi sizohamba 2016 2 days before sihambe kwatholakala ukuthi costume yethu ayikho ready. Then omunye wethu wasitshela ukuthi guys ngiyacela ukuthi njengamanje nikwazi ukusenzela into zenu cause isikhathi siyahamba. Kwaphoqa ukuthi sifunde ukubenza ubuhlalo. That's how indlela engafunda ngayo ukwenza ubuhlalo. Kwangeyinto engangiyithanda ngaphoqa ngaleso sikhathi. Kodwa ngiyasibonga lo simo sangiphoqa ngoba namhlanje ngiyayiphilisa ngabe ubuhlalo.
Yo, too much. So lobu buhlalo bakho buhle kanjena kwanami ngiyabuthanda. I envy you right now. Kodwa butholakala phi kanjani, how can umbukele osekhaya
to
go about it?
Ngiyatholakala on Facebook Nhlalwenhle Blose. Ine page futhi la umsebenzi wami Nhlalwenhle Creations. Yes, ngiyatholakala even on WhatsApp. Inamba yami yocingo it's 060 525 1693. Ngiyacela ukuthi ube kumayelana nobuhlalo. Inamba yami engiyisebenzayo personally.
Ungabike usuchansa yena kusiba umchansa ufuna ukuslide kwi DM of exe. Can I slide on it?
No.
No. But like jokes aside though, in South Africa right now we're experiencing a second wave, and it's not just in South Africa pela. It's like it's happening all over the world. It's global. All over the world we're experiencing a second wave of COVID-19, and we all time go on a platform like not only Mandeni Lockdown House Party platform kuphela ekugqugquzelayo ekmentionayo ukuthi say lockdown, quarantine, self-isolate mawuzizwa ungathi awukho grande, but wena njengomuntu manje like people at home bayabukela kuwe and you are brand as uNhlalonhle Mlose manje, like what message would you give out to the youngins emakhaya to keep on stay at home and do the right thing?
Babukela emakhaya into engitshela yona ukuthi asihlonipheni isitshelwa khona. COVID-19 ayiphelile. Ukuthi sibeke ku level 1 akusho ukuthi ayisekho. Isakhona. Masenze sho ukuthi siyalandela yonke imithetho, siya sanitizer, si keep distance leyo eshiwoyo ngaso sonke isikhathi. To keep ourselves safe.
Just okay. I want to wrap it up guys. So la imandeni fethu sinenkinga enkulu and South Africa as a whole ukuthi experience ukuhlukaniswa ngabantu besifazane nezingane, and now we use a young woman, like what message would you like to carry out at home mayelana nalokho?
Ngibhlungu kakhulu ngokwenzakalayo njengamanje njengoba sazi la emandeni kuyo khona isigigaba esenzakalile I think 2 weeks or a month back la kubulewa khona abantu besifazane ethola khona ehengiwe. Akubanga mnandi kakhulu besicela ukuthi sihlonipheke bakithi siyazi asinawo amandla kodwa ngifuna ukuyisebenzisa lo advantage ukuthi asinawo amandla ngaphezulu kwabantu besilisa. Sicela ukuhlonishwa ukuze nathi nihloniphe.
Sibonge kakhulu. That was uNhlalonhle Mlose Kimandeni Lockdown House Party guys. Now I'm back to Luma Kaplani to give us another performance, a dope performance. It's actually his brand new single coming out bafethu Luma Kaplani fethu has been working. Njengoba ngihleli naye nani niyaziwa bafethu ziyakhipha emandeni, so much talent, it's too dope. Makaplani my brother, kill it for me. Yo, Stella Wakazungu, love you guys this Sunday. I'm super blessed. Stay black, stay blessed.